Hey boys and girls, we are on day 2, session 2 of math. Remember, we are doing word problems. We have some putting together and some taking away. Let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, we're going to just warm up those brains, and we are going to start by solving a couple of problems. So let's look at our first problem. 5 add 3. 5 add 3. Can you use your fingers to solve that? 5 add 3. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 add 3 equals 8. Now we have 8. Take away 3. Let's use our fingers again. Put up 8. Take 3 away. How many are left? You're right, there are 5 left. Now let's look at these two problems. We have 5 add 3 equals 8. 8 take away 3 equals 5. I wonder, how are these problems related? Did you notice they have the same 3 numbers in them? They both have an 8, they both have a 5, and they both have a 3. Boys and girls, we call these fact families. So if we know 5 plus 3 equals 8, if we know we have 8 and take away 3, we know we must have 5. Nice job. All right, get out those workbooks. We should be on our picture just like this. We're going to be talking some math today. Let's see. Tell someone a story problem about those flowers. Can you tell someone a problem about those flowers? Nice job. Did you tell them there are 5 yellow flowers and 4 pink flowers? So that means there are 9 flowers in all. You just did a putting together. Ooh, let's see. I wonder if we could tell a takeaway problem. Could we tell a takeaway problem about these limes and lemons? What could we say that would be taking it away? Ooh, I could say I had 10 pieces of fruit. 3 of them were lemons. So how many were limes? So if I have 10 and I take away the 3 that are lemons, how many limes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 take away 3 is 7. I could also do a putting together story. I could say I have 3 lemons, 7 limes, so I have 10 pieces of fruit all together. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to tell you a story about those flowers. And I want you to circle the flowers I'm talking about. So let's call this boy Fred. Fred is going to buy 4 yellow flowers and 3 pink flowers. He's going to buy 4 yellow flowers and 3 pink flowers. Can you circle the flowers Fred is going to buy? So I'm going to circle 4 yellow and 3 pink. I did 2 circles. You could have also just done one big circle. So how many flowers is Fred buying? You're right, he's buying 7 flowers. Now let's look at those water bottles. Let's tell a story about those water bottles. How many water bottles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 water bottles. Fred's pretty thirsty, so he's going to buy 2 of those water bottles. Can you cross out the water bottles that Fred buys? How many water bottles are left? You're right, there are 6 water bottles left. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's get ready and turn to our next page. Ooh, let's start with our limes and lemons up here. Now, let's look at our symbol. What are we doing? You're right, we are adding. So we're going to say how many lemons? 2 plus how many limes? Ooh, you're right, 6. So what does 2 add 6 equal? You got it. It equals 8. Nice job. Now let's look at our symbol here. What are we doing? Ooh, you got it. We are taking away. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to write that first. 9. How many should we take away? Let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put my 4 here. 9, take away 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, I want you to look at these seed packets. We have some of tomatoes and some of peas. Write a number sentence to show how many all together. Look at what you're doing. Look at that symbol. All right, how many tomatoes were there? 4. How many peas were there? 4. And what's 4 plus 4 equal? You're right, it equals 8. Ooh, let's look at this problem. What do we need to do, boys and girls? You're right, we are taking away. So how many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write that. 7. Ooh, I want you to choose how many you're going to take away and cross them out. Ooh, did you write your answer too? Ooh, I'm going to take 5 of them away. Me and my friends are really hungry. I need 5 apples. So 7 take away 5 equals 2. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, we're going to head to our next page. All right, boys and girls, we are ready to get started. I'm going to tell you a little bit of a problem, and then I want you to color it and then tell me how many in all. So let's see, our friend Fred over there, he needs to buy 6 red peppers and 3 orange peppers. So he's going to buy 6 red peppers and 3 orange peppers. So let's go ahead and color those peppers. Can you color 6 red peppers and 3 orange peppers? It's kind of hard for Miss Martin to color on here, so I'm just going to circle. So he's going to get 6 red and 3 orange. How many is he going to buy all together? You're right. He's going to buy 9 peppers altogether. Now let's look over here at our seed packets. He's going to buy 1 packet of peas and 1 packet of tomatoes. So how do we show that he's taking those away? Ooh, we're going to put an X on them. He's taking them away. So there were 9 packets of seeds. Now there are 7 packets of seeds. Oh, boys and girls, I really want to challenge you to find somebody in your house, and I want them to tell you a story, and I want you to color it and circle how many in all, or cross out and show how many when they're taken away. All right, boys and girls, one more page. Let's see. Can you find the page that looks like this? All right, what you're going to do is you have to remember, look at those symbols, see what you're doing. Boys and girls, you're going to write 2 addition sentences for the pictures and 2 subtraction sentences. When you have them written, I want you to find somebody in your house and you're going to be telling them a story about the picture. Have a great day.